The ZenBook Duo is the kind of laptop that other PC makers would show up at CES with as a concept. But for Asus, it's already here with the second generation of this dual display laptop. It's smaller, lighter, runs cooler, and it's faster with 11th gen Intel processors. Let's have a look at the new model. So with the last gen ZenBook Duo, this secondary display was fixed flat to the top. So you kind of had to crane your neck some to use the screen. Now it tilts up when you lift the lid, just like the Zephyrus Duo, the company's gaming version of this design. Asus used a new hinge design that lifts the 12.6 inch touchscreen up to 7 degrees when you open the lid. That also increases airflow and makes the gap between the displays seem smaller, so it's more like you're looking at one big display than the last generation one. Asus calls the bottom display a ScreenPad Plus, and Windows recognizes it just like any other second display, so you can use it for whatever you would use a second display for. But Asus also has a bunch of other functions built in, so it can be used as a number pad or a giant touchpad or for writing input with the included Active Pen. And there's also this new control panel app with customizable dial, slider, and button decks for use with Adobe Creative Cloud apps. It's sort of like a supersized touch bar on a MacBook, but with greater flexibility. Now the main display here is a 14-inch Full HD touchscreen. There's also a 15.6-inch version of this laptop if you want more room to work. It's Pantone validated and it covers 100% sRGB color gamut. Now both panels, the main display and the ScreenPad Plus, are rated with 400 nit brightness, and the main display is a 1 watt high efficiency panel which helps with battery life. Asus says that this laptop will get up to 17 hours of battery life. So inside this, you'll find an 11th gen Core i5 or i7 processor, optional NVIDIA MX450 discrete graphics, up to 32 gigs of memory, and up to a terabyte NVMe SSD storage. That should be plenty for basic content creation tasks. And you've also got 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, full-size HDMI out, and a microSD card slot for high-speed access to external storage and additional displays. The ZenBook Duo definitely isn't a laptop for everyone, but you know, that's kind of the point. I love that Asus is always moving forward with new tech, and with this next gen model, they really listened to their users and made changes to make the Duo's second display more useful. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and thanks for watching.